This is a really beautiful infusion quality. It's called Divine Blessings, but I wonder if you wouldn't mind letting us know a little bit more about what that entails.
Yeah, the Divine Blessings is really the blessing of God or the Creator or the Source, where that the energy that it's like all the different divine qualities combine, and it forms like a goodness in every way for your health, for your happiness, just in every aspect of your life, for prosperity. The best way you'd like to see is if it was your parents, and your parents had the highest power in the whole universe, and they wish good upon you. Well, that will be called divine blessing.